Welcome, this is the question practical session of DBMS. Now I'm going to do the 19th question of the DBMS question session. In the 19th question, I have to do some updates and inserts for the previously created database, which for the juniors college in Kalovila. So in the 19th question, I have to first add these students for the student table. I have to do it in graphically, so there's no difficult thing in there. I'm going to add them in the student table. I have to add two data. I'm going to add them. STU009 009, name is Mandi and Vijay Singh. And the gender is female. Phone number, and the class is 11A, and the next student is student 010, and the name is Natasha. Last name Vimalasena. Female. Contact number they both are with the same contact number and the 11. So that is the first question, and in the second one we have to update the student's last name, whose ID is STU004. I have to write a query for that. So I have to update student table and set the last name to Moses. So where are the IDs? Index number equals STU_004. So this is the query. Last name to Moses, where the student index number is STU004. So in the data section, in the 004, the 0041, here the Tilakaratna is the last name. Now I'm going to execute the query. So it affected for one row. So in the student data section, I refresh the table again and change it into Moses. And in the third question, I have to student contact number should change to note 77 to that number for the whose name is Natasha. I'm going to set the contact student dot contact number equals contact number is this, to where the student, not the index number in here, and first name and the last name. First name equals Natasha, and the last name equals Vimala Sen. So I have to update this number to this. So I'm going to execute the query. So in the data section, Natasha should be Natasha. Okay, now it is affected. In the data section, Natasha email signers, the number is the same before the last record. So now I'm going to refresh it. Now it change for the number I have put in the query. So in the fourth question, they say that Natasha Vimalasena transferred to the school before the first term examination, therefore remove the information from that student table. So I have to remove the Natasha Vimalasena's detail. I'm going to write the query, delete query in here, delete from student where student dot first name equal Natasha and last name equals Vimalasena. Now I'm going to execute the query. So it affected for one row. Now in here the data is in here for now. Now I'm going to refresh. So it removed from the database. In the fifth one, find out the details of all the students. So it is easy. So select extract from student. That is only just simple query. So the students are here. So in the sixth question, find the marks of the mathematics subject of all the students in the first term. So in the mathematics subject is data of the marks are already in the student exam mark record table. So I have to write a query for that table. Or select. So I have to select only the marks. Select dot mark from where so in here I can use a join query or a sub query. I'm going to use a join query. In a join the mark in a join the subject table subject on student exam mark record dot subject id equals subject id. So I'm going to inner join those table. I'm going to check the query in here. I have to take the all in here first, asterisk. So I got the related joint sub table. So I have to select the first term also, so I'm going to inner join the term table also. So I joined the term table also. So now I got the terms in here also. So now I'm going to search, give the condition for the mathematics and the first term. So where mathematics and so I got the answers for the first term and the mathematics subject. I need only the marks, so I'm going to get marks. And execute that. I got only the marks, so that is only for the 6th question. In the 7th question, find all the marks obtained by all the students in the first term in Sinhala subject. So only in the Sinhala subject, so I have to enter the subject name into Sinhala. That is the only thing I have to do in here. So in the subject table I have to take the, so in this case I am going to run it. So I got only the Sinhala marks. When I put asterisk in here, I can see the all marks for Sinhala language in the first term. So that is not we want on just only the marks. So marks are here. So in the 8th one, Amanthi Vijay Singha entered another school from this school before the first 6th term examination due to receiving a scholarship. Therefore remove the information of the student table. So I have to remove the student detail from the student table where student name is Amanthi Vijay Singha. I have to enter the delete query. Student where student first name equals Amanthi and the student dot last name equals Vijay. So I'm going to execute the query. When I executed, it affected for one row. The student table, the Manji Vijay Singha is Manji Vijay Singha. Oh, it already gone. When I refresh, it is not in here. The TU009 entry. So likewise, that is only for the 19th question.